So let's move on the next topic, and that is combining expression. Okay. Yesterday we learned this. Okay, like how we can combine the like terms. Okay, and in front of you, this example is also there. 2x plus 3x equals to what? 5x plus 4y. Okay. So this is not I'm going to discuss, but why I'm putting this here? Because this is required to solve the next thing. Okay, and this is what we have the next solving multi-step equation. Okay, so up to now we have seen one step equation, two step equation, but in this you have more than two steps. Okay, so first question I'm going to solve here, and you all can observe. Okay, may you find very easy, then it's good, but if you are not finding easy, you can focus here. Okay, see, minus 4x, like 4x minus 8 and equals to what? X plus 10. Okay, so our ultimate goal is to what? Variable on the left hand side and number on the right hand side. Okay, so first step we are going to do that. What you want? Variable on the left hand side. Okay, so you can do minus x both the sides. Okay, why we are doing this? Because see, on the right hand side you can see there is a positive x, right? So if you want to remove it, how you can remove? By doing this. Okay, so what is going to happen because of that? 4x minus 8 as it is. Now you are introducing this term, that is minus x on the both the sides. Okay, so whatever you have originally I am writing with the pink color. Okay, and whatever I am introducing by using integer operation, that I am putting into the, I mean this one is the x. Okay, that I am putting into the blue colors. Okay, so it's very clear up to this step. Okay, so because of this step, what is going to happen? This plus x and this minus x will get cancelled. Okay, so what I have now, and here also something will happen. Okay, by using the combining like terms, you know that 4x minus x, that is equals to how much? That is equals to 3x, right? Yeah, and minus 8 as it is. Okay, yeah, I'm writing minus 3 as it is, and I can put the same color of it, and that's the pink. Okay, pink color, it means what? We don't have any change in it. Okay, now what you have left on the right hand side? 10. Okay, now as you can see, now variables on the left hand side, right? So your second goal must be what? Number should be on the left right hand side. Okay, opposite to variable. Okay, so if you want to do that, if you want to remove this minus x, what you have to do? You have to do plus 8 both the sides. Clear? So if you are going to do these steps, I'm going to write whatever I have in the pink color, and whatever I am adding that in blue color, like this term I am adding. Okay, both the sides plus 8, and this is what I have initially. So now as you can see, here this and this will going to be cancelled, right? Because minus 8 plus 8, that is 0. So now what I left? I left with the 3x on the left hand side, but whereas on the right hand side I have 10, and this is what? 8. Okay, this is 8. Okay, so 10 plus 8, that is very clear, this is 18, right? Yeah, so once you know this is 18, you can do one thing, that is what we want, just x on the left hand side. So again you can divide by 3 both the sides. Okay, so as you can see, this equation is a three-step equation. Okay, dividing 3 both the sides. So what is going to happen? 3x divided by 3 equals to 18 divided by 3. Okay, and because of this, as you know, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 3 times 6, that is the 18. So value of x equals to 16. And as one of our student told us, like you can verify as well, this is correct or not. 4 times 6, that is the 24. Okay, and 24 minus 8, that is how much? That is how much? So this is 16. Okay, so you can check on the right hand side. Are you getting 16? 6 plus 10? Yes, we are getting 16. So our answer is correct. Now raise your hand if you have any problem. Otherwise, please remove your hands. Okay, Kaushal, what is your doubt?
My doubt is so the question says 4x minus a equals x or 10.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
then I don't understand like why
Why?
it was positive x and then the minus x.
Okay, nothing is to worry. So here I can tell you again some steps. Okay, you can revise and look at the line 1. Okay, in the line number 1, I don't want x on the right hand side, okay, and that x is the positive. So how I can remove that? By minusing, okay. So minus x, I am doing both the sides, okay. So right hand side x will get cancelled, plus x minus x, that is going to be 0. So on the right hand side I have only 10 now, okay, whereas on the left hand side you can see 4x minus 1x. It means how much x I have left? 3x, okay, and minus 8 as it is, okay. So 3x minus 8 equals to 10. Getting now the simple as we are doing previously, just adding plus 8 because I don't want the 8 on the left hand side. So this will going to be cancelled. 3x equals to 18. Now still I don't want 3 with the x. So what I can do? Divide by 3 both the sides. So it's very clear, x equals to 6. Okay. Okay.
So, but can you
So
please give us another question to do? Because like I'm not so sure.
you are not sure about this?
Yeah, so can you please give us a question about this?
Yes, you will get a practice question. So there is nothing else to worry. Start solving this question. There are two questions and everybody starts solving. And again, I'm going to solve. Okay. So you can verify your steps with me. So start solving, everyone. Yes. And Kaushal, you can mute. I agree. There is no noise, but keep mute. Thank you.
Excuse me. When
Yes.
in A it's 7 times 7x,
Yes.
and then is that minus 2 or is it minus 2?
Yes.
Like,
This is 7 x. Okay. That variable x, not the times 2. Okay. This is the variable x.
yeah,
Getting?
but
This is not a
then,
multiplication.
yeah, but then is minus 2
Yes.
like, is it like
So
0 minus 1 minus 2?
I'm not getting your question. This is 7x minus 2 equals to 6x plus 4. And you are going to find what is the value of x. Okay. X equals to what?
Yeah, I hear that, but like, is it the minus 2 that goes 0 minus 1 minus 2, or is it something minus 2?
See, you have to solve. Okay. Like you are maybe solving logically, like 7x minus 2 equals to what you are solving like that. Solve it like as I told you. Okay. As I told you the method, please solve. And if you are not able to solve, then please wait for 30 seconds so we can start solving together. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So yes, everyone, start solving. You have 1 minute to finish this.
Excuse me, is it negative 2 or subtract 2?
This is the subtract 2, right?
Okay.
But
Yeah.
negative
Thank
2
you.
and the subtract 2, it means the same. This is the
No,
same, right?
but like negative 2 meaning so 7x and then negative 2. Like
See,
so,
listen.
thank you.
Yes, it's the same.
Yeah.
that was my question.
What is your question?
No, it's the question that the question that that someone else just said.
Okay, you have the same question. Okay, it's fine. I am solving here. Okay, if you have many of you have the doubts, so nothing is to worry. I am solving again. Okay, so you can focus here now. See, if you have the problem, then focus here. You are not focusing. That is why you have the doubts. Otherwise, it's very easy and very clear. See, what I don't want, this 6x I don't want, right? On the right hand side. Yes, please everyone focus here. Okay, so you can see 7x minus 2 equals to 6x plus 4. So what I don't want this 6 on the right hand side because we have decided variable on the left hand side, right? That is not fixed rule, okay? You can move all the variable on the right hand side. That is also fine. But I am moving this on the left hand side, okay? And to do that, I have to subtract 6x both the sides, okay? So I am doing that. 7x minus 2 minus 6x. And that is equals to 6x plus 4 minus 6x. Okay, fine. And because of this 6x and this 6x will going to be 0. And 7x minus 6x, that is equals to what? X. Okay, getting? Combining the like terms. And then minus 2 as it is. Okay, and that means what? Equals to 4 because here you don't have anything, right? And now you have, see, the next step is going to be what? Next step, what we don't want? We don't want the minus 2 on the left hand side, right? Because we have decided numbers on the right hand side, right? Variable on the left hand side. So now you can do plus 2 both the sides, okay? Yeah. So here you can do both the sides, okay? So if we do that, here it's very clear. Minus 2 is there, and then you can add plus 2 both the sides. And that is going to be what basically? It's very easy and very clear. This is going to be cancelled. So x equals to what? X equals to 6. Okay. Still, if you have a doubt, then you have to revise the steps. Okay. Because there is no other alternate solution. It's easy, and I am telling you each and every steps, right? And all the things I am writing without skipping any minor detail as well. Okay. So nothing is to worry. And let's move on to question number 2. And you can check your answer is correct or not. Okay. But let's move the next question. So that is what 10x plus 4 equals to 2x plus 20. Okay. So as you can see here, I'm going to following the same. Okay. And the same to follow the same, as you can see, 2x is the what I don't want on the right hand side, right? Because we have decided variable on the left hand side. So what you can do one thing, that is minus 2x both the sides. Okay. So why we are doing this? Because by doing this, you can observe we are able to remove this 2x. Okay. How? I can show you. 10x plus 4 as it is. Okay. And then minus 2, this is we are introducing. Okay. And so it will get applicable on both the sides. Okay. This is already you have 2x plus 20 already you have. Okay. And then minus 2x you are introducing. Okay. So because of this, in this plus 2x minus 2x will going to be 0, right? 0, it means I can cancel, right? Because 20 plus 0, that is nothing but 20 only. So here on the right hand side, I have just 20, and you can see on the left hand side, this is the x. Okay. So 10x minus 2x, that is the 8x. 8x plus 4, right? And now you know already how to solve this. You can subtract 4 both the sides, right? If you subtract 4 both the sides, what is going to happen? This is also easy, nothing is to worry. Just you can think very clearly. You will get 4x plus 4 minus 4, okay? Like this. Minus 4, both the sides, okay? So what is going to happen? This is just as simple as 8x equals to 16, right? And it means x must be what? X must be 2. And if you don't want to do that, like that, then the last step, operate here, divide by 2, both sides, okay? Do this. Once you do this step, you are able to get the value, and that is what x equals to 2. Yeah. Now, please remove your hands if you don't have any doubt. If you have doubt, then keep hand on. Okay. 5 hands are there. Adam, what is your doubt? Adam, do you have any doubt? Then please ask.
Yes, I have a doubt. I don't know how you did the working and how you got the answer.
Are you observing my calculation? Are you reading this? What I'm writing on the right hand side? Minus 6 both the sides. So that is what I am doing here. Minus 6 both the sides. So if you have originally plus 6 and minus 6, if I'm doing, then plus 6 minus 6, that is going to be 0. So what I left with? I left with just 4, right? And the same way here, 7x minus 6x. This 6x introduced by me. Okay. So that will applicable on both the sides. 7x minus 6x, that is the x, and minus 2 as it is. So here you have x minus 2 equals to 4. And then you are going to add plus 2 both the sides. Here return the step. Okay. Plus 2 if you do, then minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. So on the left hand side you are x, and the right hand side 4 plus 2, that's 6. Okay. Yes, Samir, what is your doubt? Okay. Kaushal, what is your doubt?
For question, so for question A, I'm a bit confused of how I did the working out.
Excuse me.
Yes, tell me.
On the last step for B, it should be divided by 8, not 2.
Yes. You are correct. You are correct. That is my mistake. Very good. Excellent. That is my mistake. Yes. So dividing by 2 and dividing by 8 you have to do, then and then only you will get it. Okay. Kaushal, you have to revise the things, okay, after the class, because I already explained in front of you for the first time, and then Neeraj asked me again and explain how it's working out, right? And again you are asking the same question. So you have to revise day 1 and day 2, and you have to learn how we can combining the terms, and then again you can do this, okay, question, because there is no alternative. You have to keep revising the last 2 days. Okay. Let's have this question in front of you. Please try to solve these two questions, everyone.
Without a paper, you can't solve it.
Neeraj, please mute. Yes, thank you. Kaushal, please mute. You have 1 minute to solve, or let's say you can take 2 minutes, but not more than that. Okay, Arya, what do you want to say?
I don't understand how the first question is actually possible.
Okay, nothing is to worry. Okay, so we will solve it together. Okay, and you can observe. You are going to tell me the steps, and I am going to write. Okay, what is the step number 1, Arya? Tell me.
The first step is to get rid of the 5. You need to subtract 5 on each side.
Okay, as per our we decided we are first removing the variables, right? So we can do -2x both the sides. Is that fine? Okay, so yeah. So let's do -2x both the sides. Okay. Kevin, please mute yourself. Okay, so -2x both the sides if we are doing, then what you have? 3x plus 5, and then we are doing -2x, and here you can see already whatever you have, I am writing in the sky blue color, and whatever I am introducing, that I am writing in the blue color. So here you can see +2x and -2x will get cancelled, right? And then 3x minus 2x, that is just x. And plus 5 is that still, okay? And that is equals to -1. So Arya, can you please tell me what will be the next step?
Plus 5 equals -1.
Yes. Now what is your aim? To make x alone, right?
Subtract
5
5
both the sides.
from -1.
Yeah, subtract 5 both the sides. We have to do this. And see, you have solved this question. That's it. That is the answer, right? So it's possible, right? The value of x is what now? Can you please tell me what will be the value of x as the answer? Tell me. X equals to what? -1 minus 5. That is how much, Arya?
-1 minus 5. Is it -6?
Yes, and that's the answer. -6 is the correct answer. Very good. So let's have the next question, and that is I'm going to solve, or else let me select any person. Okay, Shan, can you please tell me how to solve this question? Okay, fine. Vivan, tell me how to solve this question.
I don't really understand because I just joined and I don't
Okay.
get the method.
Okay, no problem, no problem. That's okay. So you can observe me how I'm solving. Okay. Yep, Sira, can you please explain how to do the steps? Okay, Arush, continue.
Sorry, I don't really understand it as well.
Okay, no problem. Arush, you can continue. Other members, mute yourself. Yes, Arush.
First of all, you take the 6x and you subtract it from both sides,
Okay.
and
so-
which makes 8x 2x, and then you take the -6 and add it on
Arush.
both sides.
Wait, Arush, let me write. So be the my voice, okay? If you run ahead of it, then the people will get confused, okay? So the step number 1, as Arush mentioned, -6 both the sides, okay? -6x. So +6x and -6x will get cancelled, right? And here 8x minus 6x, that is how much? That is just the 2x, okay? So 2x minus 6 and equals to 12. Now what will be the next step, Arush?
So you add 6 on both sides after that.
Yeah, so we are going to add 6 both the sides, okay? So what is going to happen?
Then the 12 becomes 18, and you need to divide it by, and you divide both of them by 2.
Okay, very good. Now you can mute. You are absolutely correct. -6 plus 6 will get cancelled. It means 2x equals to 18, and it's clear we don't want 8 as well. I mean 2 as well, okay? So yes, Ridhima, what is your doubt? Okay, fine. So x equals to what? X equals to 9, okay? Dividing by 2, if you do, then 18 by 2, that is 9, okay? So it's clear, okay, everyone? That's so clear, okay? Nothing is to worry. And Moyuk, tell me, what is your doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, I forgot to lower my hand. Sorry.
Okay, Vivan, now tell me. No doubt. Okay, if you don't have doubt, then please lower.
For question A,
Okay,
I don't understand how you got
-6.
equals -6.
Okay, are you available on the day number 1?
Yes.
When we have, okay. So you learned that when we are subtracting, okay, for example, you have the borrowing of £1, okay, and still you are taking £5 borrowing, then you have to pay the £6, right? So it should be -6, right? -1 is there, and again you are taking subtracting -5 from it, then it will become -6, okay? You can draw the number line and you can check -1 is there, and still you are subtracting 5 more, then it will become -6, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And better to do the day one revision, okay? So it will get more clear. Let's have this question, okay? And let's Yashu, please read this question.
Um, if the first number is 5x and the second number is 4x plus 20, if these two numbers are equal, then find x.
Yes. So they are saying that 5x is a number and 4x plus 20 is a number and they both are equal. Please mute yourself. Who is okay, sorry. Yashu, please mute. Okay. My sound is echoing to me. Okay. So 5x and 4x plus 20 are the same number. Okay. So you have to find the value of x.
I want to solve this right now.
What, Kaushal?
Should we solve this right now?
Yes, we have to solve right now, right? Everybody has to solve.
Yes, because after you just stopped in a moment, so then I didn't know.
No. Everybody has to solve. That is why I'm waiting, right? Please solve, everyone. Don't raise your actual hand, okay? Otherwise, you will get pain because we have the many people, okay? So I can see Arya is doing like this, Arav is doing like this, but you will not get a chance. Get a chance, but keep the Zoom feature, okay? Yeah, otherwise you may get pain, okay? Okay, Arya, what do you want to say? Tell me.
The answer
No,
is
no, 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 no. Answer you can not disclose because other people are doing their question, right? If you have other things, then you can tell me other than answer. So, okay, fine. Okay, so I can see up to now I got just 16 answers. Okay, so we are the class of 89 members. I need minimum, let's say half of the member. So let's say I know 40 is not half, but rounding figure. I am waiting for 40 answers. Okay, up to now I have received 25. So still 15 answers I wanted from all of you. Okay, don't give me so many times answer by the same person. Okay. Okay. So here now I have around 40 to 42 questions answer available in front of me. Okay, fine. So here the question is, okay, let me select who is going to solve me with me this question. So Varun Teja. Varun Teja, can you hear me? Varun Teja, can you hear me? If you can hear me, then let's solve this question together.
yeah.
Okay, so tell me how to do this question.
So first you put so 4x, so we don't want the 4, so we time
Okay.
we times 4 on each side.
Okay, very good. So first of all, as we know, these both numbers are equal, so we can put the equal sign, right? As you can see, that is given to you. They both are equal. So equal, it means what? You are allowed to put the equal sign. And then Varun Teja has mentioned, you don't want 4x on the right hand side because we have decided variable on the left hand side, right? So we can do -4x both the sides, okay? See, I am writing in short, okay, -4x, but you have to write subtract 4x from both the sides, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yes. Now, Varun, can you please tell me what is going to happen? 5x minus 4x. I have written as you mentioned. Now tell me what is going to happen.
So then you do so we cancel both the 4x on each side.
Okay.
So it will be 1x equal
20, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so it's a very clear, very easy question. 4x plus and minus 4x, that is going to be cancelled. Cancel, it means what? They are 0, okay? Because they are opposite to each other.
Yeah.
0 plus 20, that is just a 20. And here you can see, as per the combining like terms, 5x minus 4x, that is the x, and x equals to 20. So is there anyone who gets the different answer? If you have the different answer other than 20, then you can keep your raise hand option, otherwise remove it. So if you are not getting 20, then you can raise. So I can see there are 2 members. Okay, 3 members. So yes, Samhita, what is your doubt? Okay, Arav, what is your doubt?
I got the answer 5.
But how? Like 5x is there equals to 4x plus 20, is that right? Okay, for example, your answer is the 5, right? Okay, then
Yeah, but then
check
at
it
the
out.
end I got the answer 20, but then I accidentally divided it by 5 because I seen
Okay,
5
okay,
next to
no
the
problem.
x.
Yes, clear. So, Adam, what is your Samhita? What is your doubt? I think Samhita is not there. Okay, it's fine. Okay, tell me, what is your doubt then?
I'm sorry, I don't have any doubt. I didn't notice my hand was on.
Okay, no problem. So let's have the next question. Okay. So here you have the next question. Because this question looks very lengthy to me, but it's fine. Okay. This question I'm solving, okay, in front of you, all of you. But I can solve. Okay. See, the charge bounty made by an event manager for arranging a birthday party for P people. Okay. It means for P is a variable. Okay. So this is the formula. Okay. Calculation of the charge. Like to arrange a party, they are taking a charge as per the number of the people, right? And P stands for people. Okay. So 10P plus 50. This is the charge as per this first event manager. Okay, and now another event manager charge accordingly this formula. Okay, so the B is the another event manager and he is charging 5p equals to what, 550p. Okay, so how many people were there at the party if the charges by both the planner are the same? So if someone is saying they are same, it means what? Here the B equals to D. As per the question, they mentioned B equals to D. Okay, so I am making some easy for you. So it means instead of B, I can write this thing. See, instead of B, I can write 5p plus 550, right? So that is what? Basically 5p plus 550p, and that equals to 10p plus 50. Okay. So now onwards, you can solve this, right? If you want to solve, you can solve. Otherwise, I can solve. Okay, let's continue now. I am continuing. Okay. Okay.
What does the 50 and 550 represent for the both things?
Okay. So here, sometime you have the formula. Okay, 10p is, you can say, the variable amount. Okay, that depends on the number of people. But 50 is the fixed charge. Okay, 50 is the fixed charge. Okay, yeah. So they are representing the fixed charge. Okay, for example, for any event party, they are charging 550 as a fixed charge. There's base payment. Okay, after number of the people, other charge will depend on that. Okay, so this is the fixed charge and this is the variable charge. Okay, but that it's fine as a curiosity based question, that's fine. But otherwise the question is what, just equate them and figure it out what should be the number of people. For them, both event manager will charge the same amount, right? So very good. And everybody, let's get solve this question together. Here, as you can see, we don't want 10p, okay, on the right hand side. So you can do subtract 10p both the sides. Okay, so here I am subtracting 10p both the sides. Okay, so I'm writing in front of you. Okay, and very easily you can observe me. And if you don't want to observe me, and if you have the confidence, then start solving. At the last, you can compare your answer and my answer. Okay, so it's on you what you have to do. Either you can observe here or else you can start solving. Okay, so here we can do minus 10p both the sides. As we know why we are doing this, because we don't want 10p on the right hand side, right? So that is we have done. And after solving this, what is going to happen? This, okay, fine. So now I'm continuing, okay? Yes, so here minus 10p I have to do. And because of this, plus 10p and minus 10p will get cancelled. So it's very easy and clear. And here 5p minus 10p, that we all know that is going to be what? Minus 5p, right? And plus 550, as you can see, and that is equals to what? 50. Okay, now we don't want this 550 on the left hand side, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to subtract 550 both the sides. Okay, so if you subtract this, what is going to happen? Minus 5b plus 550p, I mean 550. Okay, minus 550, because we are introducing this one. Okay, and 50 minus 550. Okay, so from here it's very clear, this plus 550 and minus 550 will get cancelled. So minus 5p equals to what you have, 50 minus 550, that is minus 500, okay? It means P equals to what? P equals to 100. Agree? Okay, P equals to 100. How? You can divide by minus 5 both the sides, okay? And if you divide by minus 5 both the sides, you are going to get the same as I got, okay? Okay, clear? Let's have the next question. Okay, everyone, please look at this question, and our class will like run 3 to 4 minutes more because I have joined, like I joined on the time, but because of the technical error, that is the problem. So we will continue class up to 3:20. Okay, so still we have the 15 minutes. The triangle below has the perimeter of 40 minutes. Find the value of y. As if you don't know, then I can mention the perimeter is nothing but what? Sum of all the sides. Okay, perimeter is the sum of all the sides, or you can say sum of the boundaries, okay, or length of the boundaries, okay. Yes, Vishwan, what is your doubt?
For the triangles, it doesn't say which unit of measurement it is.
Okay, so if it is not mentioned, then I have to mention. Yes, you are true about it, because it can be anything, to centimeter or meter, right? Yeah. Okay, so you are correct. Here I'm mentioning this all are units in meters, okay? So y plus 2, that is also meter. So now figure it out. What is the value of y?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Oh, well, with this triangle, is it an equilateral triangle? Because then it'll have to be all the same, but it says that it's a perimeter of 40.
See, we didn't mention that this is the equilateral triangle, right? Anywhere. And we are providing you the measurement like 12 meter and 12 meters. So there is a chances of what we can say isosceles maybe, but no one told us like this is equals to this, right? In the question. So we cannot assume anything from our end, okay? Right? Getting?
Yeah.
Okay, enough time I have provided. Now let's see who is going to solve this question. Tulsi, can you please try this question? Tulsi.
So what you do is first you add 12 meters together.
Okay, sum of the sides, it means 12 plus y plus 2. Yeah, and what I can put equals?
You can put it equals to 26.
No. Right now we can put equals to 40, right? Perimeter value, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then?
And then what you can first do 12 plus 12 and 2, which would give you 26.
Yes.
And
then?
to find out the value of y, you would do 40 minus 26.
Yes, very good. So what we are going to get?
We are going to get